Hello everyone, welcome to another short video tutorial about the DAVINCI Resolve app. And today I'm going to show you how you can put video clip behind the text. So let's jump right into it. To achieve this effect is very simple. You have to place your video clip not on the first video track but on the second video track. And then you go to Effects, select Text and bring it into your first video track. Extend it so it will be of the same duration of your video clip. And with the text selected, you also disable video track for a while. And now you go into the inspector and here you write your text. Let's improve the quality of the letter. Let's put the one that I really like to use, impact. Let's increase the size. Great. Let's also increase the space between the letters. And now you go back to your video clip and enable it. And with it selected, go again into the inspector, as you can see here. And you just have to find this composite mode. And you're going to change it from normal to darken or multiply. And it's done. Look at this, how easy it is. Your video is already behind your text. Hope you found this video useful. See you at my next video.